Does GoDaddy make logos? Yes, GoDaddy offers a free logo maker tool that allows you to create custom logos for your business or brand. You can design logos without any graphic design experience using their intuitive online platform. How to make a logo with GoDaddy. Step 1. Visit the GoDaddy Logo Maker. Go to the GoDaddy Logo Maker. Step 2. Enter your business name. Type your business name and an optional tagline. Click Get Started. Step 3. Choose a design style. Browse from a selection of logo templates generated based on your business type and style preferences. Click on a logo design you like to customize it. Step 4. Customize your logo. Edit text. Adjust the business name, tagline, and font style. Change colors. Choose custom brand colors. Add icons. Select from thousands of icons and graphics. Adjust layout, resize, rotate, and reposition logo elements. Step 5. Preview and save. Preview the logo on various mockups such as business cards, websites, and merchandise. Save your design by creating a GoDaddy account. Step 6. Download your logo. Free version. Download a low-resolution logo for free. High-resolution files. Purchase the premium version to get high-quality logo files, PNG, SVG, PDF.